Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Today is a Monday. It's June 24. I'm cooking my lunch. I'm having egg salad sandwich and French fries on the side. This is how I cook my fries. It's actually frozen French fries. I'll be eating around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is how egg salad look like. We're gonna spread it on the bread. Okay, that's how it looks like before I put the bread on top of it. This is an egg salad sandwich. Now we're gonna eat now. Okay, this is how my lunch looked like. French fries, egg salad sandwich, and a cream soda and water. Okay, we're gonna try the sandwich and fries. Here we go. First the sandwich. Not bad. And then the fries with ketchup. Okay, I hope everybody has a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Have a wonderful Monday. Take care and be safe. God bless all of you. Bye for now.